got you too! Finally found your weakness. You must weigh like, what, 10 billion pounds? Maybe you should have laid off the coal a bit more.
Hey, isn't that Percy over there?
Huh? Where? Hey, wait, wasn't there a...
Don't worry about it.
Well, sorry to inform you, big guy, but you don't scare us on this side of the track.
End of the tracks for me.
Track! Come on, man. Tracks is a mindset.
And who are you?
Right on, man. You